Bench testing in 1959-1960 Cadillac driver's master switch, serial number DMS 10062023, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, wiper motor push button wash. Test number 2, wiper motor low speed and wash. Test number 3, wiper motor medium speed and wash. Test number 4, wiper motor fast speed and wash. Test number 5, window position number 1, up cycle. Test number 6, window position number 2, up cycle. Test number 7, window position number 3, up cycle. Test number 8, window position number 4, up cycle. Test 9, window position number 1, down cycle. Test number 10, window position number 2, down cycle. Test number 11, window position number 3, down cycle. And test number 12, window position number 4, down cycle. For the run-up test, we're going to be using a battery that's fully charged at 12.62. For the run-up test, we're going to be boosting the battery. Now I have a run-up test voltage of 13.15 volts. Test number 1, wiper motor push button and wash. At slow speed, first position, and wash. And off. Test number 2, wiper motor, low speed. Low speed, and wash. Washing. And off. Test number 3, wiper motor medium speed and wash. Low speed, medium speed, and wash. Back to low speed, and off. Test number 4, wiper motor fast speed and wash. Low speed, medium speed, fast speed, wash. Indication of washing. Again, wash. Indicated washing. Back to medium speed. Wash. Low speed. Wash. And off. Test number 5, window position number 1, up cycle. Position number 1, up and off. Test number 6, window position number 2, up cycle. Up cycle and off. Test number 7, window position number 3, up cycle and off. Test number 8, window position number 4, up cycle and off. Test number 9, window position number 1, down cycle and off. Test number 10, window position number 2, down cycle and off. Test number 11, window position number 3, down cycle and off. Test number 12, window position number 4, down cycle and off. This completes the testing of the windshield wiper motor and washer and the window motor up and down cycles.